Hey guys, Jir here, and in this video, I have something really cool to show you. It's an AI app that allows you to automatically clean and enhance the quality of your audio. So if you're recording a video or a presentation, just like what I'm doing right now, it's really pain, guys, because there will be a lot of noises happening in the background without proper setup, without a studio. I don't have a proper studio, and I'm just using a cheap microphone. It's really pain because there is a lot of noises, or there are a lot of noises happening in the background, like what is happening right now. There are motorcycle noises because we live near the road. There are roaster clucking in the background. There are kids shouting. There are dogs barking, and sometimes the noise of the rain is too loud, so it's really pain, especially if you're recording a presentation and selling something on that presentation that could ruin the presentation and could result the loss of sales. So this is a really helpful tool that can enhance the quality of your audio. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna play an example of this guy. So first, let me play an audio with a dog barking in the background.
Hello, I'm trying to do a record.
All right, so that's the before audio. Now let's hear the audio after I use this software.
Hello, I'm trying to do a recordings right now.
All right, so that's basically, guys, the output of the softwares. And when you compare this to other softwares like Audacity, Adobe Audition, FL Studio, Reaper, and WavePad, let me play the Audacity first.
Hello, I'm trying to do.
All right, you can still the bark of that dog in the background. Okay, so that's the Audacity. Let's hear the Adobe Audition.
Hello, I'm trying to.
All right, you can still hear the noise. Let's play this FL Studio.
Hello, I'm trying to do.
All right, you can still hear that bark. The Reaper. Let's play the Reaper.
Hello, I'm trying to do.
Right, so that's the output from the Reaper. You can still the noises in the background. Then the WavePad.
Hello, I'm trying to.
Right, so that's the output from the WavePad. I'm not saying that all of these softwares are not that really good, but after I compare this with this software, this app is much better than this software. Right now, in a few moments, guys, I'll be showing you how the software works. I'm gonna be playing a demo video, that way you can see exactly how the software works. But let me show you first my bonuses if you decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video. So these are the bonuses that you'll be getting, guys. The first bonus is it's an app that allows you to automate your content publishing in different social media account. And then the next one is the multi-tenancy business e-commerce website builder. So this is gonna help you create an e-commerce website. Bonus number 3, guys, is this OpenAI powered software that lets you create your own highly effective AI employees. And then bonus number 4 is a link management software. So this app is gonna help you manage all of your links in one dashboard. And the next one is this social proof and FOMO widget. This is gonna help you guys increase the conversions of your website. And then next one is email and social media marketing platform. Okay. Next one is email and SMS application. And next one is an advanced image optimizing platform. So this is a huge help as well, because you will be able to automate the image in your website, so your website will load faster. All right, so those are the bonuses from the vendor, and then you're also gonna get access, guys, to all of my personal bonuses right here. Okay, you can learn all of my bonuses if you decide to visit my bonus page down in the description of this video. Now, I'm not going to explain all of my bonuses because it will take us a lot of time, but again, you can learn all of those bonuses by visiting my bonus page. I'm also going to put in a coupon code, guys. That way you can save huge amount of money if you decide to purchase this product. Right, so I'm gonna play a demo video, that way you can see how this software works. But if you have any more questions about this, sorry, please let me know in the comment section below. Try my best to answer all of the questions, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you.
Fellows, welcome to Prestige Audio AI, the world's first and most advanced all-in-one next-generation audio cleaning and mastering technology powered by AI. We have adjusted this outstanding technology in your favor, so you can apply only 3 easy steps to follow. Step 1. Quickly log into Prestige Audio AI's online dashboard. Step 2. Simply upload an audio file with just a click. Step 3. Enjoy the best audio quality in the world in seconds. And that's about it. What? That's all? Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me, you might say. Well, it's terribly simple, as you can see. And yes, that's all you need to do. That's the power of advanced artificial intelligence, my friends. We mean it when we say this is the world's first and most advanced all-in-one next-generation audio cleaning and mastering technology powered by AI. Hours or even days of audio editing work plus months or even years of audio editing expertise shrunk into a single click. Hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars worth of work and investment, all condensed into just seconds of your time by making just a few clicks. There's lots more awesome stuff inside Prestige Audio AI, so let me show you around with a quick, in-depth walkthrough. I already showed you how the AI audio cleaner will help you perfectly clean your audio in seconds. Now, let me show you Prestige Audio AI's podcast recorder. Prestige Audio AI podcast recorder is the easiest podcast recorder in the world. You simply need to click on the record button. You then start talking, and your microphone will be recording until you click on the stop button. You can listen to your recording right down on the page. And by clicking on this button right here, you can download your recording. But don't let the simplicity of the podcast recorder deceive you. This powerful tool was built with the greatest podcast recording technology. Our podcast recorder uses advanced audio processing algorithms to give your recordings the same high-quality sound as FM radio. Experience noise reduction, clarity enhancement, and optimized dynamic range for professional-sounding audio. With our podcast recorder, your audio recordings and voices stay securely stored on your device. We don't save anything online, so you can have peace of mind knowing your privacy and data security are protected. Our podcast recorder automatically adjusts recording levels using AGC. Say goodbye to audio clipping and enjoy consistent volume levels throughout your recording. It's a worry-free recording at its best. Say goodbye to time restrictions with our podcast recorder. Capture audio for as long as you need without any interruptions. No more arbitrary limitations, just uninterrupted recording sessions. Let's now move to the Audio Captioner. Prestige Audio AI Audio Captioner is the easiest audio captioner in the world as well. First, you need to click on the settings icon to be able to select language, country, background color, font family, font color, font size, font style, font weight, and save changes. Then you simply need to click on the Start Captioning button. You then start talking, and your microphone will start captioning every word pronounced until you click on the Stop Captioning button. But don't let the simplicity of the audio captioner deceive you either. This powerful tool was built with the greatest audio captioning technology as well. With the audio captioner, you get captions as you speak, so you can stay focused on your conversation. You can speak in your preferred language and have it accurately transcribed, no matter where you are in the world. You can easily switch between languages during a conversation, making it perfect for multilingual teams and international meetings. Even complex or technical terms are transcribed with high accuracy, so you can be confident in the results. You can also adjust the font size, style, and caption display settings to make it easy to read and follow along. Your transcribed content is not saved or accessible to unauthorized users, so you can be sure that your conversations are secure. The Shorts Recorder is another deadly simple-to-use feature inside Prestige Audio AI. You simply need to click on the Start button. You then start talking, and both your webcam and your microphone will be recorded until you click on the Stop button. You can view your recording on the right player. And by clicking on this button right here, you can download your recording. The Shorts Recorder is web-based, so you can create videos and audio recordings on any device with a web browser. You can record both video and audio simultaneously, making it ideal for creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and other social media platforms. The Shorts Recorder automatically enhances audio quality to Pro FM level, so you don't need to worry about post-processing. We don't store any data on our servers, so your recorded content is completely confidential. You can easily download your recordings and upload them directly to popular platforms, saving you time and hassle. With automatic audio enhancement and direct uploading, the Shorts Recorder can help you save a significant amount of time and effort when creating content. The Shorts Recorder has a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy to use for beginners and experienced content creators alike. Your recordings will be free from watermarks or branding, so you can maintain a professional and personalized look. Prestige Audio AI also comes with a screen recorder. You simply need to click on the Record Screen button. Your screen and your microphone will start recording until you click on the Stop Recording button. You can view your recordings right below. And by clicking on this button right here, you can download your screen recording. With this intuitive interface, you can record your screen without any technical expertise. You can access and use the screen recorder directly from your web browser. No software installation is needed. You can choose to record the entire desktop in a specific application, window, or both. You can capture your voice to narrate presentations or provide commentary during recordings. And your recordings are never saved on the server, so your privacy is always protected. Here you will also find the Audio Converter, which is a tool you will use to convert all of your audio files so they can have the proper format right before you start using Prestige Audio AI's features. But if this wasn't all, after purchasing Prestige Audio AI, you will be invited to access its upgrades. Prestige Audio AI comes with advanced features that will master your audio to perfection in just seconds as well. We are introducing the AI presets, the AI tweak, and the AI control. We are so excited to share with you the new AI mastering technology that we've been working on. It's the best thing in the AI mastering space, and we are confident that it will help you create incredible tracks that sound like they were mastered by a pro. Once you're in, you'll be able to master and customize your tracks quickly and easily, knowing that they're up to industry standards and ready to release. We got involved in this project because we wanted to create a tool that would make audio expert skills available to everyone, regardless of their experience level or budget. Using advanced machine learning technology, we modeled the processes and techniques that audio experts use on a daily basis, and we meticulously compared the sound to audio expert masters until we achieved excellence. We are so proud of what we've created, and we can't wait to see what you do with it. So, start mastering your tracks today and let the world hear your audio. Prestige Audio AI also gives you the Audio Compressor, which is a tool created to ease your work with big audio files. Prestige Audio AI also comes with a reseller upgrade. This is your ticket to enter the $659 billion software market today by selling Prestige Audio AI as your high-ticket software, saving on development costs and launching your product quickly. And last but not least, you'll also get access to the AI scriptwriter. This is your opportunity to have your super smart scriptwriter at your fingertips. Here you will get instant access to 58 super smart AI writing tools to generate ideas, suggest phrases, and even write complete drafts, reducing the time and effort required from human writers. This tool alone will dramatically improve your productivity and save thousands of dollars and hours of work by generating any type of content in seconds. This is just terrific, guys. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's lots of awesome stuff inside Prestige Audio AI, but I can't show it all in just this short video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to enter the billion-dollar audio cleaning and mastering industry by getting your hands into the world's first and most advanced all-in-one next-generation audio cleaning and mastering technology powered by AI, then try Prestige Audio AI today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.